我是博君，我伫Ohio学台语。
我是吴玉基，我伫印第安纳写白话字。
我是王伟别，我伫加州写白话字。
我是陈婷婷，我伫加州教台语。
我是何佩金，我伫美国北加州教台语。
我是邝推，我伫加州教白话字。
我是邱玉萍，我伫 Arizona 写白话字。
我是阿泰，我伫 San Jose 学台语。POJ, or 北纬机, is a romanized writing system for the Taiwanese language, also known as Taiyi. 北纬机 can be traced back to the 18th and 19th centuries, when Western missionaries' efforts to spread the Christian gospel among the Hokkien descendants in Southeast Asia resulted in the missionaries' need to learn the local language. In contrast to other areas in Southeast Asia, 北纬机 flourished among the Taiwanese people due to the efforts of reformers to use it as a tool to promote education. Taiwan has had more users and generated more contents than anywhere else in the 北纬机 cultural sphere.
Much of Taiwan's modern literature actually finds its roots in the 北纬机 tradition rather than that of Mandarin Chinese writing. The first 北纬机 newspaper, 台湾有世界, was published in July 1885. The first short story in Taiwanese, entitled Jipun or An Oddity in Japan, was published in this newspaper in 1886. This is 32 years earlier than Lu Xun's Lunatic Diary, which is commonly argued to be the earliest modern novel in China. This signifies that the development of 北纬机 established a colloquial writing independent of Chinese and decades earlier than the Chinese.
Today, around 75% of the population in Taiwan speak Taiwanese, although nearly a century of colonization has forced Taiwanese into competition with Mandarin. In accordance with UNESCO's Convention for the Safeguarding of the Intangible Cultural Heritage, 北纬机 and the Taiwanese language no doubt qualify as part of Taiwan's intangible cultural heritage. Through this video, we hope to bring to you the awareness of this injustice and invite you to join our cause of preserving 北纬机 and the Taiwanese language. 感谢。
是讲台湾，是写台语文。